Let's welcome them with thunderous applause as they take their places.
Biaka, lanat kamu, lanat kamu. Smile ka, smile. Smile ka.
I will request everyone. King JLR Ambit and Queen Yanyan A. Indaya for pinning of sash will be pinned by Mr. and Mrs. J.R.M. Ambit and the King and Queen of Harvest 2026, King JLR Ambit and Queen Yanyan A. Indaya. The corsage will be pinned by Mr. and Mrs. J.R.M. Ambit and the bouquet will be given by Mr. Noradin Abdul. A round of applause please. Palakpakan po natin ang ating King and Queen.
Smile ka. Yan, yan. Siya ka, anak ka. Mama. One, two. Okay.
Next will be turnover of crown of King JL Ambit and Yanyan Indaya. And may I call on Ma'am Cherry Amor F. Quinones for the crowning of Her Highness. King and Queen of Harvest 2026, King JLR Ambit and Queen Yanyan A. Indaya. The token will be given by Miss Virginia G. Palata and Miss Michelle S. Escoto. The token represents as a testament of your leadership, strength, and unwavering dedication and it celebrates the contributions you've made and the inspiration you've been to everyone around you. May it always remind you as the special day and the love of our community.
Ibabaan ka pero. Babaan ka. Baba mo muna yun. One. Smile ka, smile. Smile. Matawa ka man. Smile ka. Paano ka nyipan ka? Balikan ko na siya. Smile ka. One.
Okay, congratulations. And turning over of scepter to Her Highness will be given by John Lawrence D. Villasoto and Alhaya Nor D. Malanes. A round of applause. Turn over na po yung scepter. Okay, requesting our royalties to please stand up. Our king and queen, please stand up. Up, tayo lang. Gratitude, Prince Nico Chan C. Dominic and Princess Julienne Navy V. Omania. A round of applause. Prince and Princess of Harvard, Prince Raiden Aizen A. Aladan, and Princess Sabrina A. Capuz. A round of applause, please. Prince and Princess of Blessings, Prince Alzain Ray V. Lacerna, Princess Rain L. Sominta. Prince and Princess of Rome, Prince Darren Clark G. Estanio, and Princess Andre A. V. Lacerna.
Smile ka. Yan. Kakap ka. Ampon. Kakap ka na. Pluto Jollibee, kakap ka na. Ito na lang ang partner mo. Sana, bisa makin ang katikingan ka, Alisa. Ay, makin ang katikingan ka, malak.
And Princess Sabrina A. Capuz. A round of applause, please. Palakpakan po natin sila. Napakaganda at gwapo ng ating mga royalties. And Princess Harvest